Let's get to the point. Easy Cafe is one of the most beautiful cafes for me in Masbate City. And let's be honest, this is not a sponsored post. I paid for my whole order. And let's be honest again, nagkaka-brown out madalas sa Masbate City. And syempre, swinerte ako, nagising ako during my vacation here in Masbate. Mainit na dahil wala ng aircon sa brownout. Mas mainit pa sa ulo ng ex ko. So, sumakay ako sa tricycle. Sabi ko sa kanya, dalhin mo ako kahit saan, basta cafe na may generator and may wifi. Thankfully, he drove me to Easy Cafe, and from outside, as soon as I heard the noisy motor, I knew my generator sila and thankfully my Wi-Fi then. Here are the 8 things I like about Easy Cafe. Number 1, I love the mural decor na white flowers na hand-painted. Number 2, I love their iced Americano. 139 pesos ata. It's made from a Starbucks pod for your info, pero not an issue for me. Hindi ako snob sa coffee. Kahit automatic machine made pa yan, pag masarap, masarap. Number 3, may malaking ramen sila costing around 180 pesos ata. More cafes should have a filling meal na hindi mahal. Hilig ng cafes sa pastries na mahal pero di naman nakakabusog. FYI, made from instant ramen ito, pero okay lang kasi malaki naman ang serving and masarap. Pag masarap, masarap. Number 4, I love their silog meal. 149 pesos ata. Number 5, mapait ang staff. Number 6, mabilis ang wifi. Number 7, there are several charging outlets. And number 8, may bathroom and malinis siya. One thing they can improve is ayoko talaga ng maraming fake plants sa isang space, especially sa ceiling. Sakit talaga ng mga Pinoy ang punuin lahat ng fake plants. Sa dami ng puno at halaman sa Pilipinas at tropical weather naman tayo, bakit ba hilig natin sa fake plants? Ang ganda na ng cafe. These fake plants risk cheapening it. But overall, if first time tourist kayo sa Masbate City, this cafe is one of the best and most beautiful options to check your social media in or to relax in. Click follow for the next story.